Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can see various videos of cute and funny cats. So let's enjoy the video like the way I enjoyed making it. Welcome.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then.
Oh my God!
Cat, I know.
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Nom 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 nom.
Oh my God. I'm not like. I feel like no one believes me. This is a real thing.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
I just fed you. There's still milk on your mouth to prove it.
Your cat is a baby versus now.
Stop it! Get away, you psycho! Stop! I know you're about to bite me.
I am thinking you are enjoying the video. These cats are very adorable and make us feel relaxed and happy. These cats are queen in their world and don't want a king. So let's continue the video from here. Thank you.
Beans, what's wrong? Look how grumpy you look.
Excuse me, Miss Bell. Why are you so beautiful?
You are chunky. Yes, you are, but it's okay. Oh, okay, I know I'm chunky too, but you don't have to say it like that. Those are fighting words. Okay? Can I have an I love you instead? Thank you, I love you too.
They really can't handle booze. Hey, we should just go.
You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a bitch.
I am thinking you are enjoying the video. These cats are very adorable and make us feel relaxed and happy. These cats are queen in their world and don't want a king. So let's continue the video from here. Thank you. Fact number 1. When cats don't cover their poo, it is seen as a sign of aggression, meaning they don't fear you. Fact number 2. The Egyptian mouse is one of the oldest domesticated cat breed in the world. Fact number 3. Cats use their whiskers to determine if they can fit through a small space. Fact number 4. When cats bring you a dead bird or a mouse, it's not a sign of affection, but instead let you know you suck at hunting. Fact number 5. Around the world, only 24% of cats who enter a shelter end up getting adopted. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.